Welcome to TapTech, your definitive source for high-end gear analysis. For years, the professional camera market operated on an entirely predictable cycle where minor sensor tweaks and slight autofocus adjustments passed as major flagship upgrades, leaving high-end creators wondering if true innovation had stalled out completely. But right now, industry insiders and supply chain leaks point to a massive structural shift that completely changes everything we thought we knew about professional hybrid shooting. Global inventory of the original flagship has quietly dried up, and manufacturing lines are shifting focus toward what comes next. The upcoming Nikon Z9 II is not just another routine refresh. It represents the very first true flagship born entirely from the landmark engineering merger between Nikon and Red Digital Cinema. If you rely on absolute precision for wildlife, sports, or high-end commercial production, what is happening behind closed doors at Nikon right now demands your immediate attention. Because the gap between stills and cinema is about to vanish entirely. At the core of this upcoming release is a completely re-engineered 46-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor designed from the ground up for maximum velocity. While other manufacturers chase arbitrary megapixel counts, Nikon engineers focused entirely on readout speed, crafting a sensor architecture that operates up to 3.5 times faster than the legendary first-generation Z9. This staggering speed completely eliminates rolling shutter distortion without relying on a purely global shutter compromise, retaining full dynamic range, incredible highlight recovery, and pristine image fidelity across every single frame. Furthermore, leak reports indicate a remarkable native ISO floor dropping all the way down to ISO 32. For landscape, studio, and commercial professionals, shooting at this baseline sensitivity delivers a depth, tonality, and color gradation that rivals medium-format digital backs, entirely altering how clean and malleable raw files will be straight out of the camera. Speed is only part of the equation because processing power dictates how well that data translates into real-world performance. Under extreme shooting conditions, powering the Z9 II is the anticipated dual X-speed processing architecture, a powerhouse silicon configuration built to handle monstrous data throughputs effortlessly without stuttering or dropping frames. This immense processing headroom enables full-resolution continuous RAW shooting at an astonishing 60 frames per second, alongside a staggering 120 frames per second mode when cropped to the DX format. Imagine tracking fast-moving wildlife or high-speed motorsport action and capturing every fraction of a second in uncompressed RAW quality without a single dropped frame or viewfinder blackout. Coupled with a next-generation deep learning autofocus algorithm, the camera utilizes predictive tracking that locks onto subjects with uncanny tenacity, maintaining razor-sharp focus even when shooting through heavy obstruction, dense foliage, or erratic environmental conditions. The most disruptive element of the Z9 II, however, lies in its revolutionary cinema integration that changes how hybrid creators build their production kits. Following the acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, Nikon has successfully bridged the gap between professional stills and Hollywood-grade cinema systems. The Z9 II is heavily rumored to feature internal 12-bit REDCODE RAW recording, supporting up to 8.3K open-gate video capture at 60 frames per second across a native aspect ratio. This means hybrid creators no longer need external monitors or complex cable rigging to capture true cinema-grade compressed RAW video formats in the field. You get the legendary color science, incredible latitude, and post-production flexibility of a dedicated RED workflow natively housed inside a rugged, weather-sealed professional body. To manage the immense thermal loads generated by continuous 8.3K RAW recording and high frame rate processing, Nikon has incorporated an advanced internal liquid cooling and thermal dissipation structure, ensuring uninterrupted performance during long takes under extreme outdoor environments. Physical ergonomics, electronic interfaces, and viewing experiences have also received a massive overhaul to match the sheer internal prowess of the chassis. The electronic viewfinder is expected to utilize a blistering 4000 nit, ultra-high-resolution panel derived from their latest mirrorless developments, offering a completely blackout-free visual experience that remains brilliantly clear even under direct midday sunlight. When you combine this optical clarity with advanced content credential verification features built directly into the firmware to combat digital manipulation, alongside newly developed film simulation color profiles designed to deliver naturally rich skin tones and organic color responses right out of the box, the Z9 II shapes up to be a profoundly complete tool. Beyond these surface elements, engineers have also pushed electronic flash synchronization limits to an extraordinary 1/720th of a second using the new stacked sensor design, allowing high-speed sync capabilities in bright daylight, without sacrificing powerful strobe output or flash. Power, battery efficiency, and power management have likewise seen critical upgrades to support the heavy data loads demanded by dual processors and high bitrate codecs, ensuring that shooting sessions in remote locations remain uninterrupted for hours on end. Furthermore, network connectivity features have been expanded to include lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6 channels and dedicated Ethernet streaming ports, giving photojournalists and sports media teams the instant FTP transmission speeds required to deliver breaking assets to global editorial desks within seconds of capture. The physical button layout has been subtly refined based on direct feedback from working professionals across global markets, offering deeper weather-sealing gaskets around every dial, door, and port to withstand torrential downpours, Arctic cold fronts, and harsh desert dust storms without missing a beat. Expanding further into its operational capabilities, the internal menu architecture has been completely redesigned to prioritize speed and customization, allowing operators to map complex multi-exposure functions, custom autofocus tracking boundaries, and dedicated codec shortcuts directly to tactile physical controls without ever taking their eyes off the electronic viewfinder. This minimization of menu diving is crucial for documentary crews and fast-paced event shooters who cannot afford to miss a fleeting moment while digging through subfolders. Furthermore, storage reliability has been elevated through dual high-speed card slots optimized to handle simultaneous backup writing of 8.3K RAW footage and high-speed burst sequences without triggering buffer bottlenecks. Looking at the broader photographic ecosystem, the arrival of the Z9 II also forces competing brands like Sony and Canon to reevaluate their flagship development timelines. By combining medium-format adjacent low-light clarity at ISO 32 with cinema-grade internal REDCODE workflows and a completely silent, distortion-free mechanical electronic shutter operation, Nikon is carving out a completely unique category of imaging tool that transcends traditional genre boundaries. Whether deployed on a high-fashion studio set in New York, tracking endangered wildlife across remote savannas, or capturing cinematic sequences on a fast-moving Hollywood production vehicle, the hardware versatility engineered into this body eliminates the traditional compromises that forced creators to carry separate dedicated cinema and stills packages. As global stock of the original model continues to deplete and manufacturing timelines point toward an anticipated late-year reveal, the photographic landscape is bracing for a seismic shift. Drop your thoughts in the comments on whether the native low ISO performance or the deep red RAW integration matters most to your workflow. Hit that subscribe button for continuous hands-on updates as new details emerge, and stay ahead of the curve.